Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of AI, crypto and technology. Please like and subscribe. Imagine a world where the interplay of artificial intelligence and hacking shapes our very existence. A world where lines between reality and the digital realm blur. This is not the future, it's the present. Welcome to the intricate dance of hacking and AI. In the mid-20th century, the concept of hacking was born. This term originally referred to the creative problem-solving techniques employed by Massachusetts Institute of Technology's Tech Model Railroad Club. These ingenious individuals manipulated complex systems, not with malicious intent, but to explore, innovate, and push boundaries. As technology evolved, so did hacking. By the late 70s, hacking had taken a darker turn. With the advent of personal computers, hacking became synonymous with digital trespassing and theft. The 80s and 90s saw the rise of notorious hacking groups like Legion of Doom and LulzSec, who exploited vulnerabilities in digital systems for personal gain or political motives. Parallel to the evolution of hacking, a new discipline was emerging: artificial intelligence. Stemming from the seminal Dartmouth Conference in 1956, AI began as an ambitious project to replicate human intelligence in machines. Over the subsequent decades, artificial intelligence has grown exponentially, finding applications in industries as diverse as healthcare, finance, and entertainment. Fast forward to today, hacking and AI have become strange bedfellows. On one hand, AI is a powerful tool in the hacker's arsenal, used to launch sophisticated cyber attacks and breach even the most robust security systems. On the other hand, AI also offers a robust defense against hacking. Machine learning algorithms can identify and neutralize threats in real time, providing an additional layer of security in an increasingly digital world. The future of hacking and AI is as intriguing as it is unpredictable. As AI continues to evolve, the potential for both constructive and destructive hacking grows. The question remains, who will win the race? Will AI-driven security measures outpace the hackers, or will the hackers always be one step ahead? In this exploration, we've journeyed from the humble beginnings of hacking and AI through their evolution and rise to prominence, to the modern implications and future potential. We've seen how these two seemingly disparate fields have become inextricably linked, shaping our digital landscape. In summary, the dance of hacking and AI is a complex, ever-evolving spectacle. It's a dance of innovation and exploitation, of protection and intrusion. As we move forward, the interplay of hacking and AI will continue to shape our world in ways we can't yet imagine. And in that lies the beauty and the danger of this intricate dance. While hacking often carries a notorious reputation, there's a brighter side to it: ethical hacking. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills for good, identifying and fixing vulnerabilities rather than exploiting them. This isn't a solo mission though. They have a powerful ally: artificial intelligence. AI can assist ethical hackers by automating tasks, identifying patterns and anomalies, and predicting future vulnerabilities. With the help of AI, ethical hackers are better equipped to secure our digital world. So, as we continue our dance with hacking and AI, let's remember to value the white hats amongst us, who strive to keep our steps secure and our rhythm uninterrupted. As we continue to embrace AI and its stunning capabilities, a new challenge emerges on the horizon: privacy concerns. AI systems, by their very nature, require vast amounts of data to function optimally. While this data fuels our technological progress, it also raises significant concerns about privacy and data security. This wealth of data, if falling into the wrong hands, could be a goldmine for hackers, adding a new dimension to the risks we face in the digital landscape. As we dance with AI, we must remember to not let our guard down. Protecting our privacy isn't just about securing our present, but also about safeguarding our future. As we stride into this new era, let us be vigilant, let us be aware, and let us ensure that as we embrace AI, we do not compromise on our data privacy. As our journey through the convergence of hacking and AI reaches its climax, we find ourselves standing at the precipice of a new era. This is a dance of constant push and pull, a dance that will only grow more intricate as the future unfolds. The coming years will witness a dramatic escalation in the complexity of interactions between hacking and AI. It's a thrilling yet daunting prospect. However, as we stand on this frontier, let's remember the importance of balance. Innovation should never be pursued at the expense of our security and privacy. As we delve deeper into AI, we must ensure our defenses against hacking evolve in tandem. The future belongs to those who can balance the scales between progress and protection, between curiosity and caution. As we step into the future, let's navigate these binary frontiers with both caution and curiosity. For it's in this dance of hacking and AI that the future of our digital world lies. As we continue our journey through the binary frontiers, let's turn our gaze towards the impact of AI on cybersecurity. As AI evolves, it shapes and reshapes the landscape of cybersecurity in ways we could never have imagined. On one hand, AI enhances our security measures, detecting and neutralizing threats in real time with a precision that was once thought impossible. On the other hand, it's a double-edged sword. AI can also be harnessed by hackers, unleashing sophisticated cyber attacks that are harder to detect and counter. The future of cybersecurity will undeniably be heavily influenced by the development and application of AI. As we traverse these binary frontiers, the evolving role of AI in cybersecurity will be a key factor to watch. As we dive deeper into the dance of hacking and AI, let's remain vigilant, for the future of our digital world hangs in the balance. As we conclude our journey through the convergence of hacking and AI, it's clear that this dance is far from over. The interplay of hacking and AI will continue to shape our digital world. It's a dance of shadows and light, of threats and security, weaving a complex tapestry that will define our future. The emergence of AI has opened up new frontiers in hacking, creating sophisticated threats that are harder to detect and counter. But with every step forward in hacking, AI also leaps ahead in cybersecurity, offering new ways to protect our digital world. As we navigate these binary frontiers, it's crucial to stay informed and vigilant. The future of hacking and AI is as intriguing as it is unpredictable. The dance continues, and with it, the evolution of our digital world. So, as we step into the future, let's embrace the dance of hacking and AI and navigate the binary frontiers with caution and curiosity. The dance is far from over, and the music has just begun. As we step into the future, the dance of hacking and AI continues, evolving with each beat and rhythm. This constant evolution presents both challenges and opportunities, demanding a continuous adaptation of our moves, our strategies, and our defenses. The dance floor of our digital world is ever-changing, and we must keep pace, learning new steps, mastering new techniques, and expanding our understanding of this intricate choreography. Artificial intelligence, with its advanced algorithms and learning capabilities, continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in both hacking and cybersecurity. The advent of AI-powered hacking techniques makes it more difficult for traditional security measures to keep up. However, the same technology that empowers these threats also equips us with sophisticated tools for defense, helping us to predict, detect, and counter these advanced threats. In this dance, the role of ethical hacking and AI becomes even more significant. Ethical hackers armed with AI can help us to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen our defenses before they can be exploited. They are the choreographers of security, guiding us through the dance and helping us to stay one step ahead of the threats. As we continue this dance, let's remember to lead with ethics, adapt with the changes, and strive for a secure digital world. The dance of hacking and AI is a dance of innovation and resilience, of challenge and opportunity. It's a dance that we must all learn to navigate, for it is the dance of our digital future.